Here we have a Volkswagen Passat. Now it's a Saloon R-Line 1.5 litre TSI Evo 150 PS. Now the car's a cracker and it's got a top range of spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a multifunction front-facing camera, an automatic post-collision brake, lane assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, a hill hold function, and these 18-inch Monterey alloy wheels. Now the boot just pops open. It's huge and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 3-zone climate control, a dynamic road sign display, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.